Erinkitola. I'm a filmmaker out of Atlanta, Georgia. I'm here at the Black River Film Festival. And I just saw Unscripted, which was an amazing event where participants read through a script. And I got a feel of some of the storytelling in Jamaican. Jamaicans are wonderful storytellers, so I love it. I want to challenge the experience, though, because we specifically talked about co-production. And in co-production, I'm thinking, how can I take the story and make it fit let's say, a U.S. audience? So the story was heavily written for a Jamaican audience. So we need to, in my opinion, if we want to do co-production, to find a way to weave in some different stories so that it appeal to an audience broader than the Jamaican audience. The storytelling is A1. That doesn't need to be adjusted. But what does need to be adjusted are the little nuances so that, let's say, an American audience or a British audience can digest it and laugh at some of the scenes. Some of the scenes I didn't know to laugh because I didn't understand the references, but I understood the story. So I'm looking forward to co-production and maybe tweaking some of the writing so that it can appeal to a broader audience.
Unscripted Sundays Special Edition. Fresh stories, raw talent, real reactions. Proudly sponsored by Johnny Live Productions and the Lasco Chin Foundation.